Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin review for this morning. And a couple of things on the table at the moment. So, did highlight this yesterday. This 40,000 area is significant. We do have quite a bit of price action happening at the moment within this area. So 40, you can see between 4,100 and 39,570. You can see how price is sort of testing this area, trying to get through. For me at the moment, yeah, we've got a bit of a trend line here as well. As you can see, I've just drawn that in there. And if you want to, you can actually add that one in like that. And for those of you that are familiar with your price action patterns, you'll see that that is a butterfly pattern. So yeah, it is a form of consolidation. This is exactly what we know it's doing. You can argue that it's a consolidation range as well, but anyway, that's just a little bit of a insight there. If we just drop down to 4 hour, you'll see that moving averages have crossed over this week. We are attempting to get through this. One could argue at the moment that that is a flat top triangle forming for a break to the upside. So as far as I'm concerned at the moment, if we don't pull back, we're looking for structure above 4,100. So in other words, we're looking for price to stay above 4,100 on the lower time frame, on the higher time frame, sort of on the 4 hour chart. That's going to get us an opportunity to buy back in when we come back to test that 4,100 area. At the moment, oscillators are a little bit overcooked, so we are a little bit overbought. But of all the charts that I'm watching at the moment, this is probably the one which I think there's still quite a bit to happen in this at the moment. On the daily, the oscillators aren't quite done yet, but this could be top of range. So that's just one thing you need to pay attention to. My opinion at the moment is if this weekly bar stays like that, sort of a open on its low and a close on its high, with the oscillator that low, that is an extremely bullish signal for me off the 61.8. So I'm expecting this thing to create new highs shortly over the next couple of weeks. Probably going into December, we should be coming up to the 100,000 at the moment. So that's kind of the target I'm looking at. Anyway, so still a buy for me, just waiting for structure to add. I'm already in from the bottom, so we'll wait for structure and then look to add into this. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.